Deep cleaning on HP X360 laptop. Thank you, Sir Roland, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. Having your laptop deep cleaned at a trusted repair shop is highly recommended. Professional technicians can thoroughly clean the internal components, removing dust and debris that can cause overheating and reduce performance. This includes cleaning the fans, sinks, and vents, which helps maintain optimal cooling efficiency. Additionally, a deep clean can extend the lifespan of your laptop by preventing hardware issues caused by dust accumulation. Trusting professionals ensures that the cleaning is done safely and effectively, minimizing the risk of damage to delicate components overall. The deep cleaning by a trusted repair shop enhances your laptop's performance and longevity. The HP X36015M is a well-regarded laptop known for its strong performance and versatile features. It typically offers a range of processor options, such as Intel Core i5 or i7, which provide robust performance for everyday tasks, multimedia, and light gaming. The 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen display delivers excellent color accuracy and brightness, enhancing the viewing experience. With its sleek aluminum chassis and 2-in-1 functionality, the laptop combines durability with an attractive design and the ability to function as both a laptop and a tablet. The build quality is sturdy and the battery life is generally sufficient for a full day of moderate use. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.